torso and belt and legs, Clone Army Customs DC-15A rifle, and a printed Aerialite Bakara helmet. So yeah, what the hell? Stand just came off. Yep, so his blaster is the Clone Army Customs version of it. Put that down there. So here he is. The helmet's not so bad until you turn it around and it's huge. His back decal has a belt, but it's covered by the Kama, which is from MMCB cloths. It's painted arms. Torso and belt decals from Google. His helmet is extremely detailed. It's very nice printing. And he also has posable legs. Yep, and they don't crease. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye.